As I said, my name is Thapelo Rafapa. I come from a small town called Mokgopo. It was known, they formerly known it as Naboomspruit. It was formerly known as Naboomspruit. Very tiny town. They called it as a one-street town. I don't come from a well-to-do family. I was raised by my grandmothers, two of them, from my father's side. I went to the Kubu Primary School, which it was in my community. It's a public school called the Kubu. That's where I did my primary school, staying with my grandmother, obviously. And I went to Makuchisha High School, secondary school, in the same community. It was also a public school. So there were a lot of challenges when I was growing up. We didn't have a lot of accessibility to a lot of things. Even when we were doing matric, these things of applications for university, they were not very exposed to us. I remember there was a lady working as a receptionist of the school at the time that we matriculated. She tried a lot to assist us in terms of applying printing forms for us, but we never knew really what to do with those things. We never knew much about you need to apply. We just knew that we need to study and then next year we go to university and that's all. So when results came out, we passed matric, but we didn't apply. So we did late applications. I was with my brother, Jerry Toka, and my cousin, Bobo, it's a lady. We went to Witbank to try and look for opportunity. We didn't want to just fold our hands like this and say, no, we just did late applications. We'll wait to see what universities are saying. I'm just giving you this background for a reason. We went to Witbank, registered in a college. It was a fake college, but at the time we didn't know. We just wanted school. We just wanted to do something with our lives. And when we arrived there, we so excited. We never even knew where we were going to stay.